Today I'm going to show you how to create these neon gradient freehand butterfly nails. I'm using Son of a Peach, Purple Panic, and That's Sure Bright, all from China Glaze, to create an angled gradient over a white base to make the neon colours really pop. Here's some peel porn in the form of Opulent Essence's liquid nail tape, which I've used to help with the cleanup process. And here's the gradient in all its glory. I really love these colours together. Now I'm painting the butterfly wing. I'm drawing a curve at the tip of my nail and 3 lines coming out of this, sort of like the rays of the sun. Now below my cuticle, I'm joining the lines together with curves and then colouring in the area towards my cuticle in black polish. You can also use acrylic paint to do this. When this is dry, I'm adding white dots using a dotting tool, making them slightly smaller as I go towards the tip of my nail. When completely dry, I'm top coating using Seche Vite quick drying top coat. Try to float the top coat lightly over your nail and use as few strokes as possible so you don't drag the polish and damage your lovely nail art design. And here's the finished design. I really hope you like it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my tutorial. Thanks for watching.